Alright, I've zoomed out a little bit right here so we can get a little bit of a look, a little bit better idea of how this is going to work. I use the MRC Prodigy system. This is my express throttle, is my advanced system right now. It's currently down. It's just waiting to come back from the MRC for repair. So it works fine just the way it is as I have it set up. But to start it all up, you're going to bring up your loco. As you can see, 5/68 on the screen. And in order to quote-unquote start the engine on a sound value model, you just basically, you're going to increase the speed to speed step 1. And that is your startup sequence on the sound values. There's nothing else built into it, and to shut them down, you just hit the stop sign and they basically turn off. Or F12 from mute, or is F8 from mute on these guys. So that's the start sequence. So 1 ramps up a little bit, down, you're into the idle mode. We'll turn the headlights on. We'll go ahead and couple to the first couple cars right there, and you see how I'll ramp up the throttle if I can keep it so you guys can see it. Right to 21. And now we're coupled up to the cars. We'll go ahead and pull them back a little bit. We'll change our direction to reverse. I've got, actually on this string, I've got like 10, 11 cars. So this little guy's going to work hard in order to get them moving. So I'll show you how that works out. So with the speed control set up, and it works best in 128 speed step mode, irregardless of your DCC system. And if you have a knob set up like this, it's even easier to use. But you just go ahead and, you notice I've ramped it right up to 85. And you see how it's taken off super slow. Now hopefully the sound won't cut out on this because I haven't cleaned the track, but as you can see how it really struggles to get itself going. And it's simulating a pretty heavy load at this point in time, and now I can back off the throttle a little bit. And you notice it really doesn't change its speed much, but the engine is ramping down. And then in order to stop, I've moved far enough now, I'm going to go ahead and do my cars. And you notice with the way I have it set up, right there, the engine came right to a halt just by ramping the throttle all the way back down. So there's really no need to use the F11 or F7 function as a brake if you set it up this way. Remember, acceleration momentum set at 100, deceleration set at 25. So let's go ahead and move forward. We're going to make our push into our siding. Again, I'm going to ramp it right up to about 80 or so. And it's going to bring itself right up. A little bit of power. It's working itself a little bit. It's getting the cars moving. Back it off a little bit. You notice it doesn't change speeds much. But we're pushing good now. Staying at a steady RPM. Need a little more power again. Just up again. And you notice it just really, it doesn't change its speed a lot. But you can really simulate a pretty hefty load on the cars. And now we just need to come to a stop. And all done without braking. And I can pretty much get right into the exact spot I want to spot a car by having it set up this way. And these will work on virtually every Tsunami I've set up. It will work this way, and it works quite well. So, hope you enjoyed a little bit of it, the little video I made, and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.